In this video, I'm going to be sharing difference between international TikTok account and normal TikTok account, right? So all you need to do is to make sure that you watch this video from beginning to the end.
Join Grow It a Family today. Grow your social media platforms and make money online.
You're welcome to Grow Better. This channel will teach people how to grow their social media platform and also how to make money online. And if you're seeing me for the first time, I'm Azminian, and I would like you to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button so that anytime we post amazing video like this or you're watching at the moment, you'll be among the first people to see the video. So I got this question from this person. This person said, but please, what is the difference between the international TikTok account and the normal TikTok account? Can't you get paid when you open normal TikTok account? So I'm going to be answering this question very quick, right? TikTok introduced a new monetization feature they called Creators Reward Program, right? That Creator Reward Program, actually, what we do that place is that when people watch your videos, you earn from it, just like normal Facebook in-stream or YouTube views, right? As people keep watching your video, you keep earning, right? Some people actually earn up to $5 per 1,000 views, depending on your niche and also depending on how long your video is. And in this program, what TikTok wants you to do is actually to create a video that is at least 1 minute longer, right? The video must be up to 1 minute. And they also have criteria just like Facebook that you need to reach for you to be able to join the program. Number one is you must have at least 100,000 views for within the last 30 days, and you must have up to 10,000 followers, and it must be up to 18 years, and the video that's published in your page should be up to 1 minute video. All right. So if you reach this criteria, all you need to do is to request, and instantly they will approve you. Right. So going back to the question, which is the difference between the international TikTok account and the normal TikTok account, is that normal TikTok account does not have this program right here. You can see it right here. This creators reward program. You can see it in this screenshot right here. Normal TikTok account does not have it. This is actually an international TikTok account. So because we want a TikTok account that will have this creators reward program, we actually create a TikTok account from a country that is eligible, because some countries like Nigeria and other African countries are not eligible for this program. So because we want to actually monetize our TikTok with this creators reward program, we create a TikTok account from the United States, from the UK, different countries which are eligible. So because this account is a US account, we call it international TikTok account, right? If you check this out, you will see that this is a normal Nigerian account, right? It does not have that creators reward program, right? So because the country I created this account is not eligible, right? So that's the difference between the two. Normal TikTok account, does not have the creators reward program, and the international TikTok account has the creators reward program, right? And the lady actually said, can't you get paid when you open the normal TikTok account? Actually, let me go through this. When you open a normal TikTok account, you can still get paid, right? But it's not through the creators reward program. Which what I actually mean is that you can still be paid when you open normal TikTok account, but not through live views. It's not when people watch your videos. You cannot earn when people watch your videos. You can only earn through video gifts. People after watching your video, they gift you something, or through life. People can actually gift you through life. So this is exactly how you can earn with normal TikTok account. And actually a lot of people are making money with this normal TikTok account. You shouldn't actually feel bad because you don't have international TikTok account, and abandon your TikTok. You can still continue posting on your normal TikTok account, but create an international TikTok account and be posting in another different kind of content there, and keep your Nigerian TikTok account and keep making money through life. People are making money through life. Somebody like DJ Chicken is making up to 2 million naira every day through life, So, and people are making more than that. So that's it. But if you actually want to create an international TikTok account because of the creators reward program, it's okay. I made a video on how to create an international TikTok account. You can check the video in the description. I will drop the link in the description, right? And go and create your own international TikTok account. I think I've answered this question. So guys, if you found this video very interesting, I would like you to hit the like button and drop a comment. Even if you don't know what to say, you can actually say, thank you Mazi for sharing this, and I'll be glad to respond to your comment. Right? And if this is your first time in this channel, I will urge you to subscribe and hit the notification button so that anytime I post amazing video like this one you're watching at the moment, you'll be among the first people to see the video. And don't forget to share this video so that other people get to watch and learn from it as well. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in my next video.